Good morning, everybody. Today is September 15th, 2021. Today, your do now will be based off of the word manage. Okay, so remember that's to do something that is difficult or unpleasant, especially after trying hard. Okay, so something that you manage. One thing that I manage daily is blank. Okay, you're going to put in something that you manage daily. Okay, so that will be your do now for today. Yesterday we went over manage and attempt. We also read through this, these parts of the John Wilkes Booth and Abraham Lincoln situation at the theater, at Ford's Theater. And we kind of read about how the events unfolded. Okay, today, page 199. How does John Wilkes Booth escape the theater? List two things he did to escape. Okay, why does Booth stop and pause on the stage before making his escape? Okay, why do you think he stopped and paused on the stage before he took off? Booth shouted, "The South is avenged." Why does Booth want to avenge the South? Okay, so Booth shouted, "The South is avenged." Why does he want to avenge the South? Okay, and then down here on the stretch, was Booth afraid of being captured for his crime? Underline details in the text to support your thinking. Okay, do you think he was afraid of being caught? I don't know. He was on the run, but at the same time, he stopped and he yelled things on the stage. He made the scene more dramatic. Obviously, he wasn't in such a hurry that he wasn't willing to stay and put up a fight for a little while, right? Okay, so once again, how does John Wilkes Booth escape the theater? Okay, you're going to find those details. List two things that he did. Why does Booth stop and pause on the stage before making his escape? And what does he yell out? Okay, he shouted, "The South is avenged." Why does he want to avenge the South? And then, was Booth afraid of being captured for his crime? Underline details in the text to support your thinking. Okay. All right, so let's do that. You won't need to worry about page 200 that we're on right here. If you need to reread through some of this, do that. Okay, so you will have a do now, and you will also have this page right here, page 199. Okay. Once again, if you are at home, please, please, please make sure that you're spending time on independent reading and also spending time on the student application. Okay, I can see how many minutes that you are putting in, so make sure that you're putting in a good effort and spending some time with that. Okay, please reach out if you have any questions or concerns through Canvas, and we'll go through there, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.